Okay. Here already in the previous video I already explained the what is the SOP form and standard SOP form. Okay, now we can discuss about the converting SOP expression into standard SOP form. Okay, that means in the problematic point of view how we can convert SOP expression into standard SOP form. Okay, so for that we are following one method, that is the method in that method what we are doing is by ending the terms in the expression with the terms formed by ORing the variable and its complement which are not present in the term. Okay, that means we are doing the ending process and ORing in the expression with each other term, and also we can use the complement which are not present in that term. Okay, so that is the method for converting SOP expression into standard form. Okay, so this method will be explained by one of the example, then only you can understand easily what we are doing in the method. Okay, so for that purpose generally I can take one of the example, that is convert y is equal to, so if you observe here y is equal to ab plus c to standard form. Okay, so this is the problem, this is the given one, this is generally in the SOP form, this is in the SOP form. So this expression can be converted into the standard form. Okay, so how we can convert this expression into the standard form means, first of all we can take the uh, expression, given expression. Okay, so if you take the given expression y is equal to ab plus c. Okay, so if you observe the expression, in this expression generally what are the values will be there means, generally in the first term ab. Okay, ab. Okay, so here which one term will be missing? C. Okay, so actually ab, if you consider ab into 1, ab into 1. Okay, so in the place of 1 we can write c plus c bar. Actually we know that one, the c value of the c plus c bar is equal to 1. Okay, so then only we can write this variable in this way, in this term we can take the c plus c bar. Okay, plus here if you observe here only the only term is c only. Okay, so in this one actually there is no other terms as variables are there, so then only we can, here also we can assume that c into 1. Okay, in the place of 1 you can write a plus a bar, already a plus a bar value is also 1. Okay, so again you can multiply with each term. Okay, a b c plus a b c bar plus ac plus a bar c. Okay, that is we can write that one with the ending, that means we can multiply with each term. Okay, so again we can write that actually abc plus abc bar plus, again if you want, what we want to do is actually here also ac only, which type of variable will be missing in the total expression. Here we are not having a variable as the b variable is missing, so again we can consider ac into 1, in the place of 1 we can take b plus b bar plus. Okay, again a bar c is there, here also in this term also the variable will be missing is the b, so in the place of 1 you can write b plus b bar. Okay, so again we can expression, we can rewrite the expression by multiplying each term abc plus abc bar plus again multiplying abc plus a b bar c plus, here also we are multiplying a bar bc plus a bar b bar c. Okay, so this is the total expression. Again we can observe, we cannot short this expression in the already we discussed in the previous examples, in the almost total those expressions we are shorting the total expression, but here we are writing total expression with the total variables. Okay, so if you again write that, if you observe here ABC, two are the same terms. Okay, so already we know that one A plus A is also A, then only ABC plus ABC can be written as only one term ABC. Okay, plus as it is we can write plus AB bar C plus A bar BC plus A bar B bar C. Okay, so this is the final one. So if you observe the final expression, if you observe total expression, in each term we are having total 3 వేరియబుల్స్. ఓకే, అంటే లాస్ట్ ఫైనల్గా వచ్చిన ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్లో మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే మనకి ఏమున్నాయి, 3 వేరియబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. యాక్చువల్గా ఇచ్చినది ఏంటి, ఏబి ప్లస్ సి. ఇక్కడ వేరియబుల్స్ అన్నీ ఉన్నాయా, లేవు కదా. ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్లో మనకి ఏబి మాత్రమే ఉంది, సి లేదు. సెకండ్ టర్మ్లో సి మాత్రమే ఉంది, ఏబి లేదు. సో కాబట్టి ఇది ఏంటంటే జనరల్ ఎస్ఓపి ఫామ్. దీన్ని మనం స్టాండర్డ్ ఎస్ఓపి ఫామ్లోకి మార్చాం. సో స్టాండర్డ్ ఎస్ఓపి ఫామ్ అంటే ఏంటి, యాక్చువల్గా ప్రతి టర్మ్లో మనకి అన్ని వేరియబుల్స్ ఉండాలి, అన్ని వేరియబుల్స్లో కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఉండొచ్చు, ఉండకపోవచ్చు. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఫైనల్ standard SOP form for the given expression. Okay, like this you can do all the problems. Okay, so this total videos can be put into the copies. That means I can also send this one into the your group. Okay, you can follow that one.